Let's head into the Goodwill outlet bins and see what we can find today. As soon as I walked in, they were bringing out a new bin, so I had to go dig real quick. I found these 2 salt and pepper shakers. There's no lid, but that's no big deal. I know what I'm gonna do with them. I got this masher right here, and look at this bedding, y'all. It is the whole set. It's from Threshold, king size, right there. So I got 2 pillow shams and also the bedspread. So I don't know exactly where I'm gonna put it. Maybe I'll put it in my bedroom. This is definitely my color scheme. I'm also trying to add a guest bedroom to my house, so I don't know. It's gonna be a lot cheaper here than it will be at Target, so I'm gonna get it. Also, Target is my favorite place to buy bedding. It can be a little pricey, but it lasts. All right, let's check these bins. Oh man, this looks like stuff that was here yesterday, y'all. They have not changed out the bin since yesterday. No, some of this stuff looks different. We're gonna look through it. We're gonna see, but I definitely am noticing some stuff that was here yesterday, and also a lot of them are pretty empty. Here's a whole bin just of lots of different stuff, mostly toys, but I did find this sugar mold right here. I'm gonna get it and give it a little makeover. The bins are overflowing today, but that doesn't mean we're gonna find good stuff. This is a bin full of, it looks like scarves and bags. Oh, this is cute. Oh, it has somebody's name on it. These are good to pick up and put little gifts in. I don't think my kids have any friends named Amber. Leave that here. Shoes. Looks like a little canvas right here. Oh, this is cute. It's like some deer print. I don't think I need that. Some fabric. Some glass jars. More glass. Frame. Keep looking. Let's check over here. Anybody need a toaster oven? They have one. What is this? This must be like a tabletop. Panda. Lots of shoes. Looks like there's a bunch of mugs in that bin. Little cups. Ooh, these are like such a cute size and glossy white. That might be the perfect base for an IOD transfer. Ooh, what is this? Looks like a little candle holder, but it has lots of chips. Oh my gosh, y'all. Look at this brass twirl and copper ladle. That is beautiful. Is there more of these? It looks like it might have been part of a collection. This is a little bone plate. These are really cute little trinket trays, but this one is broken. Let's see. Bridgewood and Sons porcelain. Really cute. I like these. All right, I'm gonna dig through this bin and see if I can find more stuff like this. This side looks like it might be new, so let's check it out. Lots of purses and shoes today, and glassware. It's a whole bin of belts and ties and more glassware, socks, hair bows. Where's the good vintage decor? Some DVDs. I've seen a lot of these. I think it's some kind of yogurt bottle. I'm thinking about grabbing a few of them just to keep in my stash in case I want to do a DIY on them, because there's no like labeling on them. They're clear all the way around, so they're perfect to put an IOD mode or something on. I saw some other ones in some other bins, so I might go and grab like 3 or 4 of them. They just brought out a new bin, and I got this roll of white paper. I thought it would be good if Ren wants to craft and stuff, to put this out for her to, I don't know, just to protect the surface. Also found these cute little lemon cups. I don't know what the brand is because there's a sticker right on there, but I love it. I love how they have the lemon and then the hand-drawn leaves in the background, and there's 2 of them. Love when I can find a set. They just rolled out a new bin, and look what I found, y'all. This is gorgeous, and it is in excellent condition. Love the colors. This would be so pretty in a little boys room or a beach house, and it is really big. It does have some discoloration. I'm gonna put it in the washer and see if I can clean it up even more, but overall I feel like it is in really good condition. Found this cute little pitcher. It needs to be cleaned up. That'll be adorable with a Christmas tree in it. I think I'm gonna wait for one more bin change, then I'm gonna head out. I was really hoping they'd change out the wall because they haven't changed it out in 2 days, but I'm not sure if they will. I got a cart full today. I feel like it's been forever since I found this much stuff. And I also found a bunch of clothing for my family as well. All right, I think I'm gonna head out. They just brought out a new bin. There was nothing good in there. It's all clothing, books, and DVDs, but I got a lot of stuff, y'all. We got 2 bedspreads, lots of mugs, things to DIY. So make sure you follow me on Facebook and YouTube, stuff for my own house. But I will put a total on the screen of what I spent on this cart full of stuff, and I will see y'all in my next thrifting adventure.